Hello, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Mathematics class for Standard 5th, Chapter 14, How Big, How Heavy, Part 4.
Okay students, so our today's topic is which pipe fills more. Now this is an activity we have here. It has been done with the help of postcard. But suppose if you have at home any rough, that is a greeting card, because the cards are of very good quality, they are a little stiff, so you can do that activity, okay, at this activity at home using the cards, maybe greeting cards, birthday cards, Mother's Day cards, okay. Make it half. One side you may fold it lengthwise and another you can fold it breadthwise, like this. Two folds we have to do, okay. Now I will explain you, demonstrating it, how the cards after folding into lengthwise and breadthwise looks different. That demonstration I will be doing it for you. But let us first go through the written. Collect some old postcards if you have. You can also use thick papers of size 4 and 9 cm. That is, it's just a suggestion given because they have used a postcard. Now, guess which pipe can take more sand inside? Instead of sand, you can make use of rice grains. You may take the grains of rice and you may fill both the things, okay, and then measure that things, that lengthwise and breadthwise these two postcards are having the filling inside of similar quantity or not, okay. So while demonstrating it, I will explain it to you this also. Now, instead of rolling it like a pipe, you can make it folding in the way of a triangle. That is also lengthwise and breadthwise you can do, or if you can fold it with the three ends, it will be in a form of a rectangular containers, as you have your fruity juice box, right? So that container, right? So you may make the shape like a cylinder, or you may make a shape like a triangular, or you may make a shape like a rectangular. That is up to you. And if you may want to make all three, okay, well and good. Do the activity at your home, and please write down that whether the two are having the similar content of rice grains in it or not. So let us first demonstrate how to make the cylinder, okay.
So students, here we are going to begin with the demo of the pipe fill activity. Now as you could see here, I have taken two similar kind of rectangular postcards which are hard boards, and they are of equal area. Now what is area? This is length, where the lengthier, if it is a rectangle, right? So rectangles, the lengthier side is called the length and the short side is called the width. So I have taken two exactly similar cards, and I'm going to fold them first lengthwise. That means if I'm going to fold it like this, I'm going to make one pipe. I'm going to attach this with a sellotape, and for the another one I'll be folding it like this. So I'll be sellotaping it here at the edge. So I'll be having one short pipe and one long pipe, as you could see this. Okay, so let me sellotape it. Okay, so here I have sellotaped it. Both the cards were having the similar length and breadth, that is the area of the card were same. But only what I have done, I have here folded lengthwise and here breadthwise. So that's why the size of the pipes are having different heights. Now let us see whether the volume is same or not. For volume to be same, what I am going to do, first of all I am going to fill this container with the rice. So that what is the volume? You know, the capacity to hold anything inside the container, that is the volume of that container, whether it is cylindrical, triangular, rectangular, whatever. The amount of anything the object can hold inside it, that is called its volume. So let us fill it with the rice. Now as you could see, I have filled everything. Now whatever the extra grains I have actually spilt it out, I'm going to take it one side. Filled till the brim. The volume is filled till the brim. As you could see, it is fully filled. The container is fully filled. This is the volume of the container, that the amount of rice filled in it. Now I'm going to take it out. Now this container is empty. As you could see, I'm going to fill these grains which were actually the volume of this container, right? So I'm going to fill it in this empty container. Now I'm going to fill this volume. This is done, right? Now let us see whether this cylinder is actually able to hold the grains which were there in this container or not. For the filling of this, again I am putting the grains inside it. Now you could see that the cylinder is filled completely, correct? But see, these grains are left inside the container. That means the volume of this cylinder is less than the volume of this cylinder. However, they both are made up of similar kind of areas. That means the same size of card. But only the difference is this, that when it is filled lengthwise this way, the volume was greater, and when it is made the cylinder breadthwise, the volume was less than this. So in spite of having a greater height, the cylinder was not able to fit the volume of the shorter container. I hope students you have understood this, that if areas are same, that does not mean that the volume will remain the same. Do this activity at home and confirm it by yourself. We are going to meet soon in another video. Till then, have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.